Drone swarms are becoming a major threat on modern battlefields, and conventional defense systems struggle to keep up. That's where ExDECS comes in, the Expeditionary Directed Energy Counter-Swarm System from Epirus. Instead of launching missiles, this system uses high-powered microwave pulses to disable dozens of drones instantly, without a single shot fired. ExDECS is designed for mobile and expeditionary operations, supporting ground-based and low-altitude air defense units. Based on the earlier Leonidas project, it's built to defend against mass drone attacks with speed, flexibility, and unmatched cost efficiency. The key to its power is high-powered microwave (HPM) technology. When activated, ExDECS emits electromagnetic pulses that overload and fry drone electronics mid-air. Rather than targeting one UAV at a time, it can neutralize entire swarms in a single burst, making it a game-changer in drone warfare. According to Epirus CEO Andy Lowry, ExDECS is like an electromagnetic version of the phalanx system, but instead of shooting, it burns out circuits, ending threats instantly. And since it doesn't use ammo, the cost per shot is nearly zero, just electricity. Built on solid-state gallium nitride (GaN) technology, ExDECS is compact, energy-efficient, and adaptable. It can be mounted on light tactical vehicles or trailers. Its software-defined architecture allows for quick reconfiguration to face new threats, and modular amplifier units simplify maintenance and scalability. In a world where $100 drones are countered with $100 missiles, ExDECS flips the script. It offers a safe, scalable, and cost-effective way to defeat drone swarms, signaling a shift toward electronic air defense for modern conflict.